Have you ever wondered what makes you jump, run, or even just blink? It's not magic, it's your body's incredible engine room, your muscles. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of how muscles actually make you move. First, let's get a basic idea. You have over 600 muscles in your body, and they come in three main types. Skeletal muscles are the ones you control, like your biceps when you flex. Smooth muscles work automatically, like the ones in your stomach that digest food. And the most important one, the cardiac muscle, is your heart, which pumps blood 24/7 today. We'll focus on the skeletal muscles, the movers and shakers of your body. Imagine a single muscle, like your bicep. It's not just one big chunk of tissue. It's actually made up of thousands of tiny muscle fibers bundled together like a massive rope. Now, let's zoom in even further, way down to the microscopic level. Inside each muscle fiber are even smaller strands called myofibrils. This is where the real action happens. These myofibrils are made of two main protein filaments, a thick one called myosin and a thin one called actin. Think of them as two sets of interlocking fingers. When your brain decides to move, it sends a lightning-fast electrical signal down your nerves to the muscle. This signal triggers a chemical reaction, releasing calcium, which acts like a key unlocking the actin filaments. Once unlocked, the myosin filaments, which have tiny little heads on them, grab onto the actin filaments. Then, in a powerful motion, they pull the actin filaments toward the center. This is called the sliding filament theory. It's like a microscopic tug-of-war with millions of myosin heads pulling all at once. This pulling action shortens the entire muscle fiber, and when millions of fibers shorten together, your whole muscle contracts. It gets shorter and fatter, which is what you see when you flex. This contraction pulls on your tendons, which are like tough cords connecting your muscles to your bones. And when the tendon pulls on the bone, boom. Your arm bends, your leg kicks, or you lift that heavy bag of groceries. Movement happens. But what about relaxing the muscle? It's just as important. When the signal from your brain stops, the calcium is pumped away. The myosin heads let go of the actin, and the filaments slide back to their original resting position. The muscle lengthens and relaxes, ready for the next command. This whole process of contracting and relaxing happens incredibly fast, allowing you to do everything from typing on a keyboard to sprinting across a field. It's a beautifully efficient system, powered by energy from the food you eat, mostly from a molecule called ATP. Your muscles are constantly breaking down ATP to fuel every single contraction. That's why you get tired after a workout. Your muscles are running low on fuel. So, the next time you move, take a moment to appreciate the incredible microscopic dance happening inside you. Your muscles are a powerful, complex engine, turning thoughts into action every second of the day. It's truly amazing, isn't it? Thanks for joining me in the engine room today. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how your amazing body works. See you in the next video.